Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoGPT Tutorials. Get ready for your weekly dose of top trending AI news this week. We've got some major updates and groundbreaking advancements you won't want to miss. From revolutionary video generation tools to powerful new coding platforms, the AI world is buzzing with excitement. So let's dive in. News number 1, ChatGPT integrates with macOS apps. We've got some big news from OpenAI today. ChatGPT is getting a major upgrade that will change the way you use it. This new feature, called Work with Apps, allows ChatGPT to interact directly with applications on your macOS, making it even more powerful and versatile. Now imagine this. You're coding a complex program and hit a snag. Instead of frantically searching online, you can simply ask ChatGPT for help, and it can actually see your code. This means ChatGPT can provide more accurate and tailored solutions to your problems because it understands the specific context of your work. This integration is currently available for ChatGPT Plus and Team users, with Enterprise and Edu users gaining access in a few weeks. But it's not just coding apps. ChatGPT can also pull information from other applications like TextEdit and Terminal, giving you a more comprehensive and efficient workflow. Imagine the possibilities. You can ask ChatGPT to summarize a lengthy document, extract key insights from your research notes, or even help you debug a tricky terminal command. This update truly blurs the lines between AI and your everyday apps, opening up a world of new possibilities for productivity and creativity. So make sure to update your ChatGPT app and give this new feature a try. Let's see the demo video shared by OpenAI team.
Hi, I'm Romain from OpenAI. Today I want to show you a quick look at an early feature in the ChatGPT app for macOS, the ability to work directly with the applications on your computer. So imagine I'm building an iPhone app and I have my Xcode project open here. Previously, I would have had to copy my code back and forth from Xcode into ChatGPT. Well, now with this new integration that I enabled, I can click the Xcode button here and ChatGPT can immediately see the Swift code I'm working on. Check out this example. So OpenAI 01 first created this entire app from scratch to track the ISS and astronauts in space in real time. But say I want to add a new feature to this app. I can simply write, add a new screen in the center with the live stream. Now ChatGPT has the context about my existing Swift code and starts suggesting the changes. That's done, so I can just jump back in and update the code. Let's build the app. Let's Command R. Great. It's pretty cool. The live stream is right there with even a fancy icon for it. And I could keep on going and adding new features, but for now, let's ship this update. I'm gonna switch to the terminal and I'm gonna now ask ChatGPT to work with my terminal. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to help me push this on GitHub. Now, given that ChatGPT has the context of the two apps, Xcode and the terminal, ChatGPT can help write commit messages based on the work we just done. It can also help troubleshoot errors if you have any or install missing dependencies based on anything it sees in your terminal output. And that's it. ChatGPT helped me iterate on this app. It's like having a pair programmer by your side and you're ready to ship this update. We're always working on additional ways to make ChatGPT more useful for developers. Personally, I would love, for instance, for ChatGPT to go even further, showing me the diffs, writing the files, or potentially letting me talk out loud, the features I'd like to add. And these are things we'll continue to explore. We hope you find this update useful and stay tuned for more.
News number 2, Bolt.new update, seamless workflow across devices. Hey everyone, what's up? There's some exciting news for developers and AI enthusiasts. Bolt.new, the innovative dev sandbox powered by AI from StackBlitz, just dropped a game-changing update focused on improving your workflow. This update is all about seamless continuity and accessibility, making your development process smoother than ever before. Imagine this. You're working on a project in Bolt.new. You've got your chat history with the AI assistant, specific checkpoints you've saved, and maybe some other recent projects you're juggling. Now you can switch devices or browsers without missing a beat. That's right. This new update means your chat history, checkpoints, and recent projects are automatically saved, synced, and instantly available wherever you log into Bolt.new. No more hassle of manually transferring files or starting from scratch on a different device. This update essentially breaks down the barriers between your devices, allowing you to pick up right where you left off, regardless of where you are or what device you're using. So whether you're coding on your desktop at home or brainstorming ideas on your tablet during your commute, Bolt.new ensures a consistent and uninterrupted experience. This is a major step forward in developer convenience, making Bolt.new even more powerful and user-friendly. So make sure to check out the updated Bolt.new and experience the seamless workflow for yourself. News number 3. Runway makes big updates to their Gen 3 video generation API. Let's talk about some exciting updates from Runway, the company behind the powerful Gen 3 AI model that lets you create videos from text prompts. Runway has just announced some major changes to their API, making it easier and more powerful for developers to integrate Gen 3 into their own apps and products. One of the biggest changes is the addition of keyframe support. This means that developers can now have even more control over the generated videos, specifying exactly what should happen at different points in the video. They've also introduced a new self-serve tier with a higher maximum concurrency limit. This is great news for developers who need to generate a lot of videos quickly. And finally, Runway has added multi-user organization support, making it easier for teams to manage their API usage. The Runway API has already been used by some of the biggest names in tech to generate millions of videos. So if you're looking to add AI-powered video generation to your own app or product, this is definitely something you should check out. You can learn more about the API and how to use it by visiting the Runway API documentation. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future updates. News number 4. Codeium releases a brand new AI-powered IDE, Windsurf. Hey coders! Get ready for some exciting news in the world of AI-powered coding. Codeium, the company known for its incredible AI coding assistant, has just launched Windsurf, a groundbreaking IDE designed to supercharge your coding workflow. Windsurf introduces Cascade, a revolutionary feature that blends the best of AI copilots and agents. It combines the collaborative power of copilots with the independent strength of agents, creating a unique flow experience that keeps you in the zone. And the best part? Windsurf is available to everyone right now. No waitlists, no invitations, no restrictions. Cascade offers an impressive toolkit, including search tools like grep and Codeium's own LLM-based search, along with editing tools for adding and modifying files. It can even suggest, execute, and refine terminal commands, all while staying in sync with your actions in the IDE. Plus, Cascade leverages Codeium's deep understanding of real-world codebases to perform complex multi-file edits. But wait, there's more. Windsurf boasts a whole suite of AI-powered features, like autocomplete, supercomplete, and command, designed to make coding faster and easier. Ready to experience the magic of Windsurf? A free 2-week trial is available now. Head over to wind.surf/launch to get started. Let's see the demo video shared by Codeium team.
Hey, my name is Varun from Codeium, and today we're launching the Windsurf editor. Think about the last time you felt magic with technology. The first ChatGPT question, the first smartphone interaction, or the very first internet search. Magic happens when the interaction with technology is intuitive, but it's also obvious that something super powerful is happening under the surface. So what does true magic look like for software development? We believe it's an editor where you and the AI can truly mind meld, with information naturally and infinitely flowing between the two without any friction, giving you instant, invaluable AI developer assistance, where you want it and when you want it. And that's the core Windsurf editor paradigm shift.
Oh yeah. I like it. This sounds super high ROI. High! Up high. Yeah, Varun. Keep going.
Copilots are collaborative, but can only work on small scopes. Agents can do larger tasks, but are not collaborative. Both are very useful, but we realize that this real magic will happen when the AI has the ability to be both collaborative and independently powerful, all wrapped up in an intuitive interface. That is an AI flow, which is what we think comes after AI agents. The core motivation of creating the Windsurf editor was to natively expose flows, starting with Cascade, the flow evolution of chat. Flows create magic by giving the AI access to 3 things: knowledge, tools, and human actions. Let's start with knowledge. Here is us asking Cascade to add doc strings to all integration tests in a production codebase. To do this well, Cascade needs to rip through all the code, identify the integration tests, understand what those tests are testing, and generate contextually relevant doc strings. That's a lot of deep codebase understanding. Most attempts from other companies have normally degraded quickly as codebases get larger and more complex. But that's where our multiple years of creating powerful context awareness systems gives Cascade the edge. Next up is tools. We've given Cascade access to tools like list directory, grep, edit file, add file, and more. This allows Cascade to be independent. But Cascade takes it further than any other agentic system by also generating commands to be run. Here is Cascade installing a requirements.txt file and independently realizing that it needed to use Python 3 instead of Python given my environment. Or here is Cascade suggesting to move files. Don't worry, the human is in the loop approving the commands, but Cascade can truly take action by utilizing the broadest set of tools. Finally is human action. This is where the collaborative aspect of flows really shines. Cascade lives in your editor. So if you make some changes in the text editor, as shown here, you can just ask Cascade to continue, and it will pick up right where you left off. Cascade truly understands your intent because you and the AI are always operating on top of the same state of the world. We brought together knowledge, tools, and human actions to create the next generation of AI systems.
From the first prototype we built, Cascade was already great at building small 0 to 1 apps. But our goal has always been to help developers with the most ambitious projects that they could dream of. The kind of thing that takes more than a weekend to build. So we've invested a lot of effort into making it a better partner for when you're contributing to large, sophisticated code bases. When the engineers inside of Codeium started to rely on Cascade to work on our own production code base, we knew that we had something. Cascade is a fundamental leap from what was possible before. And we're really excited to be able to share it with you now. No waitlist necessary. Of course, this is just the beginning. We know that Cascade has the potential to do more impressive tasks on larger, more complex code bases, predicting more of your intent by looking ahead on the joint developer AI timeline, and bringing in multiple developers into the same conversation, allowing for AI to participate in your day-to-day collaboration with your colleagues, and extending the flows across more of the key work surfaces involved in software development, such as documentation, work planning, and code review, so that the AI can stay in lockstep with you through all of your work. This launch is just the beginning.
The Windsurf editor was built around our AI engine to assist you however you write code, whether it's Cascade or in the text editor. While you're typing, you will get all the features you have come to love from the Codeium extensions. Autocomplete ships with a blazingly powerful fast mode to finish your thoughts. Supercomplete, the modality that predicts the edits corresponding to your next intent, prompts you with multi-cursor edits to keep you in your flow state. Command has a brand new UX that makes it easier, faster to perform large file modifications, full file generations, and follow-ups. We even brought Command into the terminal, so you never have to Google that random bash command again. All of this is powered by our custom, world-class LLMs and backed by the same context-aware engine that predicts your next move. The Windsurf editor meets you where you are and helps you move faster so that you can build more.
We're really excited about the Windsurf editor. The team's been working incredibly hard on it. It is a fork of VS Code, and yes, we do know the memes, but there wasn't a need to rebuild everything from scratch. The Windsurf editor should feel familiar and intuitive, but with capabilities like Cascade, you should also internalize that something super powerful is going on under the surface. The editor will also give us the ability to give every developer another magical moment with technology. It's why we call the Windsurf editor tomorrow's editor today. So, what do you think?
What do I think? What do I think, Varun? I'll tell you what I think. I think this Windsurf editor flies. It's really fast. I think this is the next big thing. Now, when can people expect it, Varun? When?
You can experience the magic today at windsurf.ai.
Windsurf.ai, fuckers. Fucking Varun, man, you fucking killed it. And congrats on the new office space, man. I mean, look at this. Fucking great. Oh, the Windsurf app. How does it open?
News number 5, KREA AI releases new AI trainer with community styles. Let's dive into some exciting news from KREA AI. They just launched a brand new AI trainer feature with upgraded quality and hundreds of community styles you can use in your creations. To use the new AI trainer, head over to KREA.ai/train and upload a few images. KREA recommends using at least 25 images, but some trainings will still work well with fewer. After uploading, you'll want to clean up any low-resolution images, as shown in KREA's tutorial. They recommend avoiding images under 512 pixels. One of the most important parts of the new trainer is the training settings. Here's a rule of thumb. More images means more training steps you'll need. If a training feels like regular flux, increase the learning rate. A high batch size can stabilize training but requires more steps. Finally, you'll want to choose a trigger word similar to what the AI is trying to learn. Once Once you're happy with the settings, hit that train button. You'll see a percentage showing the progress of your training. The training time will depend on your settings. Larger batch sizes and training steps will take longer. Once the training is complete, just click Use with Flux to start using your new training. You can even combine it with other trainings. KREA has also released their version 1 of the Styles Gallery, where you can find and use trainings created by the community in Flux. You can also access community trainings from Flux's interface. News number 6. Viggle AI integrates Google's Gemini to bring characters to life. Viggle AI, the platform that lets you create and animate unique characters, just announced a major update integrating Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro. This is huge news because Gemini is a cutting-edge AI model known for its advanced capabilities in understanding and generating both text and images. Viggle AI will be using Gemini's power for 2 key features: character description and image generation. Imagine typing in a description like a whimsical purple dragon with sparkling emerald eyes and having Gemini instantly create a stunning visual representation of your character. That's what's coming soon to Viggle AI. Thanks to the integration of Imagen, Google's powerful image generation technology, working with Gemini. And once you have that awesome character image, you can use Viggle's existing tools to bring it to life with animation. This update has the potential to revolutionize character creation, making it easier and faster than ever before. Stay tuned to Viggle AI for more updates on when this amazing feature will be available. News number 7. Anthropic releases new features for prompt engineering in the developer console. Anthropic just announced some amazing updates to their developer console that will revolutionize how you build and refine prompts for their powerful AI model, Claude. One of the most exciting additions is the Prompt Improver. This powerful tool uses Claude's advanced capabilities to automatically enhance your existing prompts, making them more effective at generating accurate and reliable responses. Think of it like an AI-powered prompt editor. It uses techniques like chain of thought reasoning, example standardization, and even rewrites your prompts to make them clearer and more grammatically correct. They've even seen accuracy increases of 30% and 100% adherence to specific word counts in testing. But that's not all. Anthropic has also introduced a streamlined way to manage multi-shot examples directly in the workbench. This means you can easily add, edit, and organize examples to improve Claude's understanding and output. And if you don't have examples, no problem. Claude can automatically generate synthetic examples for you, making the process super efficient. Finally, you can now evaluate your prompts with ideal outputs, providing even more control and insight into prompt performance. All these features are available now in the Anthropic console. So head over there and start creating even more amazing AI applications. News number 8. Nous Research releases new chat platform and advanced reasoning API. Let's talk about some major advancements in the world of large language models coming from Nous Research. They've just announced 2 exciting new projects, Now Chat and the Forge Reasoning API Beta. First up, let's talk about New Chat. This is a sleek new chat platform featuring the Hermes 370B language model. Hermes is known for its strong performance in expressive language, long-form thinking, and individual alignment. New Chat is completely free and offers a threaded conversation system to help you organize your thoughts and projects. You even have full control over your AI interaction with customizable prompts and configuration options. Whether you're working on analysis, brainstorming future scenarios, or just need some practical advice, New Chat has you covered. But that's not all. Nous Research is also launching the Forge Reasoning API Beta, which aims to supercharge existing large language models with a code interpreter and advanced reasoning capabilities. Forge integrates cutting-edge techniques like Monte Carlo tree search, MCTS, chain of code GOC, and mixture of agents MOA to enhance reasoning and problem-solving abilities. Early benchmarks show that Forge can boost the performance of the Hermes 70B model to rival even larger models from giants like Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic. And the best part is that Forge is designed to work with a variety of popular models, including Hermes 3, Claude Sonnet 3.5, Gemini, and GPT-4. Keep an eye out for the Forge Reasoning API Beta, launching soon for a select group of users. This is a huge step forward in LLM technology, so stay tuned to Nous Research for more updates. News number 9. ChatGPT launches dedicated desktop app for Windows and macOS. We've got some exciting news for all you ChatGPT fans out there. OpenAI has just released a dedicated desktop app for ChatGPT, available for both Windows and macOS. This means you can now access all the power of ChatGPT right from your desktop without needing to open a web browser. So what can you do with the ChatGPT Desktop app? Well, for starters, it offers faster access to ChatGPT than the web version. Just hit Option Space on macOS or Alt Space on Windows and you're good to go. Plus, you can use the advanced voice mode to chat with ChatGPT using your voice, making it even easier to get things done hands-free. The desktop app also integrates seamlessly with your other apps. You can use it to chat about emails, screenshots, files, and basically anything on your screen. It's currently in early beta for developer tools, allowing ChatGPT to give you faster and more context-based answers to your programming questions. ChatGPT Plus and team users can try it out now, while enterprise and edu users will have access in the next few weeks. There is one important note for macOS users. The desktop app is only available for macOS 14 Plus with Apple Silicon, M1 or better. Keep that in mind before you rush to download it. Overall, the ChatGPT Desktop app is a major step forward in making AI more accessible and convenient for everyone. News number 10, Vidu revolutionizing AI video generation with multi-entity consistency. Let's talk about a groundbreaking development in the world of AI. Vidu 1.5, the world's first multimodal model with multi-entity consistency. This isn't just another AI video generator, folks. Vidu 1.5 represents a huge leap forward in AI technology. With traditional AI models, creating videos with consistent characters, objects, and environments was a major challenge. But Vidu 1.5 changes the game by allowing seamless integration of these elements, leading to stunningly realistic and dynamic videos. Imagine bringing your images to life with smooth, lifelike movements, or transforming your text descriptions into captivating visuals, all with lightning-fast generation speeds under 30 seconds. This is what Vidu 1.5 brings to the table. From film and animation to advertising, Vidu is poised to revolutionize creative industries by empowering creators with unparalleled efficiency and innovative tools. Don't just take my word for it, though. Creators across various fields are already singing Vidu's praises. Award-winning animators, social media influencers, and even AI experts are blown away by its powerful semantic understanding and ability to handle complex movements with ease. So are you ready to unleash your creativity? Head over to Vidu and experience the future of AI video generation. News number 11, new course, Safe and Reliable AI via Guardrails. Hey everyone, big news in the world of AI. DeepLearning.ai just launched a brand new short course called Safe and Reliable AI via Guardrails. This course is taught by KREA Rajpal, co-founder and CEO of Guardrails AI, in collaboration with Andrew Ng. The course focuses on a crucial aspect of deploying AI, especially large language models, LLMs, making them safe and reliable. As you know, LLMs are powerful tools, but they can sometimes generate unexpected or even harmful outputs, like hallucinations or revealing sensitive information. This is where guardrails come in. Guardrails are essentially safety mechanisms that help control the behavior of LLM-powered applications. They act as a protective layer, ensuring that the AI doesn't go off track, reveal confidential information, or produce inaccurate results. In this course, you'll learn how to identify common failure modes in LLMs, such as going off topic, generating hallucinations, or revealing sensitive data. You'll also learn to build guardrails from scratch to mitigate these risks. Think of it as building fences around your AI to keep it on the right path. The course uses a practical example of a RAG-powered customer service chatbot for a pizzeria to illustrate the concepts. You'll learn how to prevent the chatbot from discussing sensitive topics, ensure responses are grounded in factual information, and protect personal data. By the end, you'll have the skills to build and deploy more reliable AI applications ready for real-world use. So if you're interested in taking your AI skills to the next level and building safer, more trustworthy AI systems, be sure to check out the Safe and Reliable AI via Guardrails course on DeepLearning.ai. Let's see the course demo video shared by Andrew Ng.
I'm delighted to introduce Safe and Reliable AI via Guardrails, built in partnership with Guardrails AI and taught by KREA Rajpal, who is CEO and co-founder of Guardrails AI. In this course, you learn to implement and use guardrails, which are safety mechanisms and validation tools included in AI applications, particularly those that use large language models or LLMs. Guardrails operate in real time to check the application output to make sure it behaves in a safe and reliable way. They provide a critical layer of control and oversight that enables more responsible AI interactions with your users. One of the biggest challenges in using LLMs to power applications is that their output is hard to predict in advance. Even small changes in the input prompt can lead to unpredictable changes in output. While there are a number of tools like prompting techniques, model fine-tuning, alignment methods like RHF and RAG, while techniques like that have significantly improved LLM accuracy, there's still some output variability and unpredictability. And this is where guardrails come in. These additional components of your applications work to check that the responses of an LLM conform to a set of rules and guidelines and can be used to prevent incorrect, irrelevant, or sensitive information from being revealed to users. Implementing guardrails can increase the trustworthiness and reliability of your application, and in this course, Shreya will show you how to build them.
That's right. You'll start by exploring some common failure modes for LLM-powered applications, like hallucinations, going off topic, or revealing personal identifying information from retrieved text. And you'll do this using a lightweight chatbot that's built right into the course notebook. You'll then implement Guardrails code from scratch to mitigate these failure modes, making use of state-of-the-art validator models from Guardrails Hub. For each one, you'll try the guardrail you implemented in a RAG chatbot so that you can actually see it in action. After completing the course, you'll be able to work with the guardrail code pattern you've learned to build custom guardrails for your use cases, and this will greatly improve the reliability of your LLM-powered applications.
Guardrails are a key tool that you could use to make your applications more safe and reliable. I think they'll become increasingly important in the AI application stack, especially in industries with stricter safety, privacy, or regulatory requirements. So I hope you enroll in this course and help ensure that the LLM applications you build are well behaved. I hope you enjoy the course.
News number 12. Apple announces Final Cut Pro 11. Hey everyone, huge news for all you video editors out there. Apple just released a major update to Final Cut Pro, and it's jam-packed with incredible new features and performance improvements. This update is all about making Final Cut Pro even more powerful, efficient, and intuitive, so you can bring your creative visions to life faster than ever before. One of the most exciting additions is the revolutionary magnetic mask. This AI-powered tool allows you to isolate people and objects from the background with ease, eliminating the need for green screens or time-consuming rotoscoping. Just imagine the amazing composites you can create. Another game changer is the new Transcribe to Captions feature. Using Apple's advanced AI language model, Final Cut Pro can now automatically generate captions for your videos, saving you countless hours of work and making your content more accessible. And speaking of accessibility, Final Cut Pro now fully supports spatial video editing for Apple Vision Pro. You can import and edit stereoscopic video captured on Vision Pro or iPhone 15 Pro, add effects and titles, and export directly to photos to view instantly on your Vision Pro headset. Color grading has also been significantly enhanced with tools like unique color wheels and improved HDR support. For those working with RAW footage, the updated ProRes RAW workflow offers unparalleled flexibility and performance. This update truly elevates Final Cut Pro to a whole new level, empowering editors with cutting-edge tools to push creative boundaries. So if you're a video editor, don't miss out on this latest version. You won't regret it. That's a wrap on this week's AI News Roundup. Which development are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future AI updates. Thanks for watching.